Eli's story. A blind girl's hope. Hello, my name is Eli. I am 25 years old. I have been blind since I was 10. I was not born blind. I could see the world, the sky, the trees, and the faces of the people I loved. But one day, everything changed. How I lost my sight. When I was 10 years old, I had a terrible accident. I was playing outside with my friends. We were laughing, running, and having fun. Then, suddenly, a car came very fast. I did not see it. Before I could move, it hit me. I fell down, and my head hit the ground very hard. At first, I felt pain. My mother ran to me. I could hear her crying. My father held my hand. I could hear his voice. But slowly, everything became dark. I could not see my mother's face. I could not see my father's eyes. The world disappeared. The doctors tried everything. They gave me medicine. They did tests, but nothing worked. One day, the doctor said, "Eli, I am sorry. Your eyes are damaged. You will not be able to see again." I was shocked. I was scared. I did not know how to live in a world I could not see. Life as a blind person is not easy. Every day is a challenge. I wake up in the morning, but I cannot see the sun. I touch my face, but I cannot see myself in the mirror. I hear my mother's voice, but I cannot see her smile. I walk carefully. I use my hands to feel things. I listen to people's voices to know where they are. Some days, I feel sad. I miss colors. I miss the sky. I miss reading books with my eyes. But I tell myself, "Eli, you are strong. You can do this." I learned to read Braille, a special way for blind people to read with their fingers. I learned to use a white cane to walk. I learned to live in darkness. A ray of hope. One day, my best friend, Dr. Ryan, gave me good news. He said, "Eli, there is a new eye operation. If it is successful, you might see again." I could not believe it. My heart started beating fast. "Really, I can see again?" I asked. Dr. Ryan smiled. "Yes, Eli. There is hope." I held my mother's hand. I cried. I prayed. I believed. A message to you. If you have eyes, be grateful. If you can see, thank God. Many people in this world dream of what you already have. Some cannot see, some cannot hear, some cannot walk. But you can. Take care of what you have. Love your life, be kind to others. And always believe in hope. Before you go, if this story touched your heart, like this video. If you believe in hope, share this video with your friends. And if you want to hear more stories like this, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.